Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to unbox the Insta 360 Evo, and this particular camera I think came out last year, 2019. It shoots 5.7K 360 video, and it also does 3D video that you can view in your VR goggles. So we're gonna unbox it and sometime today get her all charged up and check it out, see what we get. It looks very interesting, and the packaging is really cool. I don't know how clear this is, but they have a little label here, and it's actually 3D. I don't know if you can see that. It's you can see that it's all 3D. Now apparently they also had when they put this out, I don't know why they didn't do it for all the phones, but when they put this out, they had a viewer thing that you could put over top of your phone, and you wouldn't need VR goggles or anything. You could just view all your footage in 3D. But they didn't do it for any other phones, so I'm not sure why. But it's really cool. You can see the 3D. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video here. But anyways, let's open her up and let's see what's inside. Wow, that was in there pretty good. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 boxes here. Okay, how is this attached? Oh, I see. So they give you this metal plate here. This is like solid metal. That's interesting. Okay, and I guess you would unscrew this. And there it is. That's kind of a neat display that they have with it. Okay, so they have a 1/4-inch thread to put on a tripod. We'll put that there. Okay, so they have a little button on here. I don't know if you can see that, but they have a small button here that you press and allows you to fold this camera over, and then I guess you press this Or no? Okay. Let's see, how does that lock? Okay, so you press this little button, and there's a little slider over there, which actually locks it in place, and then you still have your mount. So when it's like this, it's actually a 360 camera. Now the only problem I see with it is you have a large gap here. That's going to be your stitching line. So I'm not sure how the 360 is going to work on this. But anyways, I didn't really get this camera for 360. It's more to test out the 3D filming. So anyways, let's take that apart here again. So we have to come back to here. We press, and it comes apart, and we can slide this back in. Now I guess to keep this one, it would be the same idea. We would press this button and slide, well, we don't want to scratch this. Slide that over, and you can see this is locked in place. Now I'm just looking around to see where you charge this from, and I don't see any charging port. Okay, so let's see what's in these other boxes here. Set the camera up there. Okay, this here looks like you're going to get a nice little pouch. Oh, this is kind of nice. Nice little sleeve that you can put it into. You know, that protects the lens there. Okay, what else do we got in here? Oh no, that is cool. That is cool. So it looks like you have your own little tripod. Let's pull this out. Okay, so we have move this stuff over a little bit. So there you go. And if you wanted to carry it around, I guess you could, you know. That is cool. That is really cool. Okay, so let's see, what else do we got in here? It's a little bit windy, stuff is blown away. Okay, here I'm assuming this is your manual and instructions. Yeah, it is. You have a ton of stuff. Okay, it looks like they're going to give you VR glasses there to view the images on your phone. That's going to be kind of cool, because I'm not sure I really have a VR headset. Okay, so that's the instructions. So let's see, what have we got in here? Okay, so it looks like there is a charging cable. And it looks like it's a micro USB. So I'm not sure. Micro USB might be. Okay, so if you take off that label here, you have a micro SD card slot, and you have the charging port. And I guess this would this is how you would charge it up. You could just put it on there and plug it into your power pack. Okay, on top looks like we have power on button. Let's see. Oh, there is power. Okay. There is power. I guess this is the mode. Yeah, it looks like you have a mode button here. Press that, and it goes down to this mode. I'm not sure. This mode down here looks like it's 360. And that mode up there looks like it's your 3D setting. And then I guess this is your shutter button and power button. Okay. So we don't have a card in there yet, so we can't really test that out. Okay. I think what we're going to do is we're going to charge it up before we do some sample videos, and then hopefully we're going to be able to show you exactly what you're going to get with this. Now this is interesting. It's very small, and this would be your viewer. I guess this would open up, and I imagine you could connect this to your phone. That looks like the idea. And then it looks like this here is going to slip over your phone, and you're going to be able to view whatever you filmed in actual 3D. Or I'm sure you're going to be able to take your phone and with the footage on it and actually put it into your VR headset to view your 3D footage. Well, this is going to be interesting. I'd love to be able to put this on the phone after I film something and somehow be able to capture it in here so you could have a better look at the 3D. Well, I look forward to checking this out. Anyways, it looks like that's everything that you get in the package. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching, and make sure you come back and see what kind of footage we get out of this. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to see more of the Insta360 Evo. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
No. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights.